Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Botulism is not transmitted from person to person. Botulism develops if a person ingests the toxin, or rarely, if the toxin is inhaled or injected, or if the organism grows in the intestines or wounds and toxin is released. Food-borne botulism is spread by consuming food contaminated with the botulism toxin or spores. 6 April 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Prognosis. The paralysis caused by botulism can persist for 2 to 8 weeks, during which supportive care and ventilation may be necessary to keep the person alive. Botulism is fatal in 5% to 10% of people who are affected. However, if left untreated, botulism is fatal in 40% to 50% of cases.
Let's help you make your mark.
The container is leaking, bulging, or swollen. The container looks damaged, cracked, or abnormal. The container spurts liquid or foam when opened, or the food is discolored, moldy, or smells bad. 25 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Botulism food poisoning commonly occurs when the toxin is ingested. Ingesting even minute quantities can cause severe poisoning. The foods most commonly known to cause botulism food poisoning are smoked or raw fish, cured pork and ham, honey or corn syrup, and home-canned vegetables.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Botulinum are heat-resistant. The toxin produced by bacteria growing out of the spores under anaerobic conditions is destroyed by boiling, for example, at internal temperature greater than 85 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes or longer. 10 January 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.